guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Explorer, and we are going on another Explorer adventure. Today we are going to Claud Maru, and there is a monkey over there. It's sleeping. There is another signage. This is the history of Claud Maru.
Now let's check the place.
Alright, let's go. Let's speed it up a bit. There's also a playground here next to the fishes. This leads to another place. Hello, fishes! We're gonna eat lunch at that hut. Let's go! Alright guys, we're gonna slide! On the slide! Woo! Alright guys, we're gonna go home. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Stay sweet!